Dear investors, IPO stands for Initial Public Offerings. Through IPOs, companies raise capital for business expansion and more. IPOs can help you build long-term wealth in 3 different ways. Let's jump in. 1. IPOs let you invest in young companies. An IPO is the first time a company enlists on the stock market and accepts investments from retail investors. IPOs happen when a company is young and has a long road ahead of it. The company's revenue, profits, and business reach can substantially increase over the coming years. By investing in IPOs, your wealth can grow right alongside the companies. It's useful to compare younger and smaller companies with smaller economies. India's economy grows faster than the economy of the US and most European countries. This is because India has a smaller economy and hence can grow at a faster rate. Younger companies also grow at a quicker pace, and therefore you can take advantage of their growth potential by investing in IPOs. 2. IPOs let you exploit the time advantage. In the stock market, gains tend to compound. The longer you stay invested, the more you grow over time. By investing in IPOs, you can use time to your advantage. 3. IPOs let you move before the market. By investing in younger companies, you are also decreasing your competition. Some investors only invest in companies that have provided good returns for years. Now, IPOs can be risky as you are investing in companies that don't have a stock market track record. But through deep fundamental analysis, you can manage your risk well. By moving before the market, you will benefit from the increased demand in company stock later on.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.